Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Tuna Harumaki. It's crispy Harumaki spring rolls with tuna melt inside. Crispy Harumaki wrapper and creamy tuna melt. It can't be bad. No explanation needed. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Tuna Harumaki. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 10 Harumaki wrapper, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 onion, canned tuna. This one is 70 grams and I'm using 2 cans. 10 slices of cheddar cheese and some salt and pepper. I'm making the filling first, so onion, let's mince it. Cut the top off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Make some slits. And slice. Same for the other half. Let's put it in a large bowl. Drain tuna and add to the bowl. Mayonnaise. And some salt and pepper. Give it a good mix. And the filling is ready. Harumaki wrappers are sticking together, so let's separate them. Add 1 tablespoon of water into the bowl of flour. Mix well to make glue. Place Harumaki wrapper diagonally. Fold a slice of cheddar into half and put it here. It's a little below the center line here. Put some tuna mixture. Fold the corner up. Fold the sides in. Roll it up. Put some glue here. And fold up. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper diagonally. Slice of cheddar into half. Tuna onion mixture. Fold it up. Fold the sides in. Fold it up. Put some glue here. And fold up. Okay, all wrapped. So it's time to fry. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Let's put harumaki gently into the oil. And just fry them, about 2 minutes on each side. Nicely browned, so let's take them out. Before moving on to the next batch, make sure to clean the oil. Okay, all fried and it's done. Let's see how it looks inside. Itadakimasu. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tuna melt harumaki is the main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and tamago corn soup here. How about ブロッコリーのガリバタ醤油炒め for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!